Welcome to this educational video on viruses. In this video, we will explore the basic concepts of viruses, including their structure, replication, different types of viruses, their potential applications, and vaccines. Viruses are tiny infectious agents that cannot reproduce outside of a host cell. They are not considered living organisms as they cannot carry out any metabolic functions or reproduce without the help of a host cell. Instead, they use the host cell's machinery to replicate and spread. Viral structure can vary depending on the type of virus. However, most viruses consist of a protein coat, known as a capsid, which protects the genetic material of the virus. Some viruses also have a lipid envelope surrounding the capsid. Viral replication occurs in several stages. The first stage is attachment, where the virus binds to specific receptors on the host cell's surface. The second stage is penetration, where the virus enters the host cell. The third stage is replication, where the virus uses the host cell's machinery to make copies of its genetic material and produce new viral particles. The final stage is release, where the new viral particles are released from the host cell and can infect other cells. There are two types of viruses based on their genetic material: RNA viruses and DNA viruses. RNA viruses have RNA as their genetic material, while DNA viruses have DNA as their genetic material. Retroviruses are a type of RNA virus that use the enzyme reverse transcriptase to convert their RNA into DNA, which then integrates into the host cell's genome. Bacteriophages, or phages, are viruses that infect bacteria. They are used in biotechnology research as a tool for genetic engineering and as a potential treatment for bacterial infections. Some viruses are oncogenic, meaning they can cause cancer. Examples of oncogenic viruses include human papillomavirus, HPV, and hepatitis B and C viruses. Vaccines are a way to prevent viral infections by training the immune system to recognize and fight off the virus. Vaccines can be made from weakened or killed viruses, pieces of viral proteins, or genetic material from the virus. In addition to vaccines, there are many potential applications of viruses in biotechnology and medicine. For example, viruses can be used as vectors to deliver genetic material into cells for gene therapy. They can also be used to treat certain types of cancer, as some viruses are able to selectively infect and kill cancer cells. In conclusion, viruses are tiny infectious agents that cannot reproduce outside of a host cell. They have a unique structure and use the host cell's machinery to replicate and spread. There are different types of viruses, including RNA and DNA viruses, retroviruses, and bacteriophages. Some viruses are oncogenic, and vaccines can prevent viral infections. Viruses also have potential applications in biotechnology and medicine. Thank you for watching this educational video on viruses.